Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Helen Louise and today we're going to be learning how to make a magic circle or a magic ring. And what this is a way to start your crochet works that are worked in continuous rounds or circles, as it's just a neat way to make a starting circle like so, without a hole in the middle. So let's get started. So what you're going to need today is just a hook and a piece of yarn. I've gone with a 5.5mm hook. This is a bit larger than I would usually use, but this is quite a fiddly thing to get your head around, so it's nice to start with a bigger loop to begin with, and then I just have a standard ball of DK wool. To get started with the ring, what you'll need to do is pick up your yarn and loop it around your two fingers like so. You've got the end piece here and then the piece of wool attached to the ball around here. Then what you'll need to do once you have these two loops like so is just move this loop here that's attached to the ball towards the back, so you've got an X on your fingers like so. Then you'll need to get your hook and pop it under this first loop here just like so, and pick up the back loop here and pull through until you have a loop like so. Then at this point you can just hold onto the circle and take your fingers out, and then you should have something like this. At this point you'll have to find your piece of yarn that's still attached to the ball of wool, and just get this in the way you like to hold it and pull so it tightens around the hook. Then you'll just need to chain one, so the hook, your piece of yarn around the hook, and then pull through the circle like so. And if you pull this tight, what you should get is a nice knot just here around the circle, and then you should still have your loop around the hook. Then you just need to pull this piece of yarn up a little bit tighter so this loop here is nice and snug around your hook, and that is the hardest part done. The next thing we'll need to do is make the stitches within this loop. So it's quite like normal, except for instead of putting your hook into the next stitch each time, you just keep putting it through the circle in the middle. So let's do the first stitch. So we'll just need to put our hook through the circle, pick up a piece of yarn behind, and then pull it through the circle. So then you should have two loops on your hook like so. Then, just like any other single crochet, we'll yarn over and then pull through both loops, and that's your first stitch completed. Today we're going to do 6 in total. So let's just do that again. Get your hook and pop it through the loop, which should be made of two pieces of yarn. Pick up the yarn you're holding in your left hand that's attached to the wool, pull through, and then you have two loops on your hook like so. Then you just yarn over and pull through both of them. And do this again. So hook through the circle, pick up your yarn, you've got two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both of them. So that's number 3. And we'll do this again. So hook through the circle, pick up your piece of yarn, pull it through, two loops on your circle, yarn over and pull through. I'm going to do this twice more. What you should be left with is 6 stitches. It should look like nice neat bees that are just along the side of your circle. And you need to find the piece of yarn that's your end, and then I usually like to untangle it a little bit, so just pull it So you've just got one loop left like this, that's your circle, and then just grab that piece of yarn that's the end and pull until this closes itself. Pull it nice and tight till there's no visible hole in the middle, and then you've got your lovely magic circle. So when you're kind of doing this for yourself and you're following a pattern, you'll just keep going with those stitches I showed you into the circle, as many as it tells you, and then you pull that to close, and that's the completed circle, like so. So if you found this useful and you made your first magic circle, I'd love for you to let me know how it went, and like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you in my next tutorial.